नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज हम लोग क्लास 7 की जो इंग्लिश की सप्लीमेंट्री बुक है एन एलियन हैंड, उसका जो पहला चैप्टर है वो हम आज पढ़ेंगे। तो आइए करते हैं शुरू। क्या है चैप्टर? द टाइनी टीचर। क्या है? द टाइनी टीचर। इसको इसमें हम लोग इस वीडियो में सिर्फ रीड करना सीखेंगे, पढ़ना सीखेंगे। ठीक है, इसका मतलब किसी और वीडियो में हम लोग जानेंगे। ये क्या है? द टाइनी टीचर। पढ़ते हैं। ये है दो। क्या है? दो सो वेरी स्मॉल, दो सो वेरी स्मॉल द एंट इज अनबिलीवेबली इंटेलिजेंट। अनबिलीवेबली, देखिए, अन है, ये बिलीव है, एबली है। ठीक है, अनबिलीवली, अनबिलीवेबली नहीं बोल पा रहे हैं आप। अनबिलीवेबली, अन अनबिलीवली ऐसे बोला जाता है। दो सो वेरी स्मॉल द एंट इज अनबिलीवली इंटेलिजेंट, अनबिलीवली बिलीवली इंटेलिजेंट एंड हार्ड वर्किंग। क्या है ये? अनबिलीवेबली। थोड़ा और धीरे पढ़ देता हूं। दो सो वेरी स्मॉल द एंट इज अनबिलीवेबली इंटेलिजेंट, अनबिलीवेबली इंटेलिजेंट। ठीक है, एंड हार्ड वर्किंग among the various kinds, among the various kinds the commonest ant is black or red. The commonest ant is black or red. Ants live in comfortable homes called ant hills. Ants live in comfortable homes called ant hills. ठीक है, चलते हैं अब आगे। Name the smallest insect you have seen. Name the smallest insect you have seen, and the wisest. Is it the fly? Is it the fly? No, it isn't. Is it mosquito? No, not the mosquito. Then, ये क्या है? Mosquito. Then it must be the worm. It must be the worm. No, none of these. No, none of these. It is the ant, the commonest, the commonest. The smallest but the wisest insect. The story of an ant's life sounds almost untrue, but people have kept ants as pets and have watched their daily behavior closely. So we know a number of facts about this tiny, hardworking, and intelligent creature. इंटेलिजेंट क्रिएचर। चलते हैं अब आगे। एन एंट यूजेज इट फीलर्स। एन एंट यूजेज इट्स फीलर्स और एंटीना। और ये क्या है? एंटीना टू टॉक टू अदर एंट्स बाय पासिंग मैसेजेस थ्रू दैम। वॉच अ रो ऑफ एंट्स मूविंग अप और डाउन द वॉल. Each ant greets all the others coming from the opposite direction by touching their feelers. By touching their feelers. चलते हैं आगे। क्या लिखा है देखिए। क्या है? देयर आर मैनी काइंड्स ऑफ एंट्स. There are many kinds of ants. The commonest among them are the black or red ones. We have seen them since we were children, but haven't paid enough attention to them. Where do they live? In their comfortable homes called nests or ant hills. Each has hundreds of little rooms and passages. Each has hundreds of little rooms and passages. In some of these rooms, the queen ant lays eggs. Others are nurseries. Others are nurseries for the young ones called grubs. Others are nurseries for the young ones called grubs. Workers क्या पढ़ेंगे इसको? Workers have their आगे देखते हैं क्या लिखा है. Reserved quarters. Workers have their reserved quarters. They spend most of their time searching for food. Some rooms serve as storehouses. Some rooms serve as storehouses for this food. Soldiers have separate barracks. Soldiers have separate barracks. No worker has ever tried to live in a soldier's house. No soldier has ever gone out searching for food. No worker or soldier or cleaner has ever harmed a grub. So you see, an ant's life is very peaceful. Each does its share of work intelligently. क्या है ये? Intelligently and bravely and never fights with other members of the group. ठीक है, अब चलते हैं आगे. देखिए क्या है. द क्वीन इज द मदर ऑफ द इंटायर पॉपुलेशन ऑफ द कॉलोनी. ये क्या है? कॉलोनी. द क्वीन इज द मदर ऑफ द इंटायर पॉपुलेशन ऑफ द colony. It lives for about 15 years. It has a pair of wings. It has a pair of wings, but bites them off after its wedding flight. But bites them off after its wedding flight. This flight takes place on a hot summer day. The queen leaves the nest and goes out to meet a male ant or drone high up in the air. On its return to earth, it gets rid of its wings and then does nothing but lay eggs. Eggs hatch and grubs come out. Eggs hatch and grubs come out. Soldiers guard them. Workers feed and clean them and also carry them about daily for airing, exercise and sunshine. 2 or 3 weeks later, grubs become cocoons. क्या है? cocoons and lie without food or activity. For 3 weeks more, then the cocoons break and perfect ants appear. Now ये क्या है? appear. Now it's time for teaching and training. New ants learn their duties from old ants as workers, soldiers, builders, cleaners, etc. After a few weeks training, the small ants are ready to go out into the big world of work. आगे क्या है देखिए. An ant hill. An ant hill is a home not only for ants but also for some other creatures. Beetles, lesser breeds of ants and the green fly. ये क्या है? green fly. Beetles, lesser breeds of ants and the green fly. Why do ants want these alien creatures to live in their nests? For several reasons. Some give off smell. ये क्या है? smell pleasant to the ants' senses. Others give sweet juices and some are just pets or playthings. क्या है ये? playthings. Like cats and dogs to human beings. The green fly is the ant's cow. The ants train it to give honeydew. The ants train it to give honeydew like milk. With a touch of their antenna, they milk it just as we milk the cow. Have humans learned as much as ants have? Perhaps. ये क्या है? Perhaps they have, but they haven't put their learning to good use. They may still learn a few things from this tiny teacher. Hard work, sense of duty and discipline, cleanliness, care for the young ones, and above all, a firm loyalty to the land where they live. ठीक है, इस तरीके से आपका ये चैप्टर होता है समाप्त. खुद से पढ़ें उसको बार बार और बहुत ही स्पीड में पढ़ना सीखें, क्लीन पढ़ना सीखें. मिलते हैं आपसे अगली वीडियो में. नमस्कार.